Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make our products work on Amazon WorkSpaces over DCV, former WSP protocol. As an example, let's take USB for remote desktop. Okay, let's jump right in. I already installed Amazon WorkSpaces and FabulaTech USB products. Basically, that's all that is needed on local computer. Let's go into Amazon VDI and configure it. DCV configuration is done by tweaking group policy settings. First, copy group policy templates into the system. Now open Group Policy Editor and enable extensions for DCV. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Amazon, WSP, Configure Extensions. Choose Enabled, and in drop-down menu, click on Server and Client. Then update group policy settings. At this moment, it's enough just to log off and log on again. But I want to install server-side software for USB redirection. It's USB for remote desktop product for server-side. I have it already downloaded. The installation process is simple. It also supports silent installation for automation purposes and a lot of customization options. It asks for a boot. Let's do it. Okay, let's get back to our remote desktop. Here we are. Let's check System Tray for USB for remote desktop icon. It's the main interface for connecting and disconnecting USB devices. Click on a device to connect it. A checkbox near the device means that the device is connected. On a local computer, you can see that the device is occupied by WorkSpaces application. And now the device is ready to be used in remote desktop. Of course, guys, it's all written in user manual, but who reads it? Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye-bye!